Hello, everyone. Uh, Today is day 17. We are on day 17. I'm so glad. So, before we start, I want to share with you one experience of this particular day 17 activity. Is that I saw, I think, a video of Jim Carrey with either Oprah Winfrey or I think Oprah Winfrey or Ellen DeGeneres. I don't remember. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the link of that video and post it on the description of this video that I'm going to post this video on YouTube. So the link of that video I'm going to post on the description of this video that is getting recorded right now. So this activity is being used by a lot of people from a lot of long time. Very, very powerful activity. I have been personally using this activity since, I'm going to say, the first ever time that I read the book Secret. I still have 3 of these in my wallet all the time. I'm carrying it all the time in my wallet. So let's understand what this activity is all about, and let's manifest abundance. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mele, all the great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to the money energy, to Rhonda Byrne, and to each and every person connected to this book. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To the money that shows up in my life from day one of my life till today, to the abundance that surrounds me, that is blessing me every day, to my good health, to each and every organ of mine, to my relationships, to my properties, to my assets, to my liquidity, to everything, to my senses, my intuition. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to solar system. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So before we go ahead, let's let's exactly find out what this activity is all about. It's called day 17, the magic check. In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, writer and poet. When you direct gratitude's magical power toward any negative condition, when you direct gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money, more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money. You see, I love the way how this book is so strategically written that first we identify ourselves as money magnets, then we identify ourselves with the abundance that is around us, and now we manifest the money that we desire. All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more. If you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. If you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money. However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may be currently experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried about thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you are grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you. You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. So before you use gratitude's magical power of the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you. Money can come to you through receiving an unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone, or extra sales, selling of something that you've been trying to sell, or increase in your client base, or more demand of your product, more demand of you as if you are your product and your services. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner. Isn't that also, you say the money what you save is the money you save is the money you earn. So that is also an increase in your money. You have to be very, very grateful about these things also. When you're about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted, when there is a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy, the end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through that circumstance. If you tell a friend you're about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you're planning to travel and you hear about the discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers their interest rate or service providers offers you a far better package, are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive the money? So this paragraph is actually trying to tell us the unlimited situations by which we do receive money, by which money is coming to us every day, but we just don't acknowledge that. Most likely you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law. I'm going to repeat that line again. But when gratitude is the way of your life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law. Before we go further, I want to add something that one way of showing gratitude to money energy is donate a little bit every time you receive it. Trust me, trust me, trust me. If I get an opportunity to hold a session on financial energy, which is just my personal session of my understanding of money, I will probably be able to discuss with you that why I lay so much emphasis on giving money in the form of tithing. Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that costs money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with gratitude, you have real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance. When I arrived to United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, so I mostly walked everywhere. but I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, and 4 forks and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly, I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful. So I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude. Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive. Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the gratitude bank of the universe. And you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money. Money is the means to what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you won't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money. You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance blank magic check from www.thesecret.tv/magic check, or you can just Google secret magic check and it'll just come. You download it and you print it out. If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that what you did and how it worked. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you. Once you have filled in the details of magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want to do with the money you will get. Get the picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money. Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes or computer or a new bed, new car. Picture yourself actually buying it, what you want in store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving it. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and graceful as you've really received it. After you've completed these steps, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. You can use your magic, the magic board. Keep it open. I have some of my magic checks here. I have 3 in my wallet. It's the same. So whenever I come home and I open this and I'm seeing it, I actually feel that I've received it. And whenever I'm driving or I'm sitting or doing nothing, I get these magic checks out of my wallet, which I'm going to show you right now, and believe that I've received it. At the end of the day today, either you keep your magic check where you had it or put it on another prominent place where you see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you've received it. When you have received the money of your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend, replace the check with the new amount for something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want. End of today's session, day 17, and tomorrow is the magical to-do list. I've finished the book, by the way, and it gets more and more exciting. Tomorrow is day 18. So the magical to-do list is a fantastic chapter. But this magical check, I'm going to show you what to do. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings. Why you have to do that first.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Please explain second paragraph of this page, 162.
Is this the paragraph after you've completed these steps?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
So after you've completed these steps, take the magic check with you today. So what you're going to do is that you are going to, so today is, what date is it today? Today is 19th August. So maybe tomorrow you take a printout of this check and you write on the date. I will show you how to write it. So you write 20th August 2020. You write pay Umesh. My name is Umesh Mulrajani. So pay Umesh Mulrajani and the amount, and it's signed by Universe and account pay and all of that. You do that and you take it with you. Either you stick it on your refrigerator, in your wardrobe, in your whatever, and anywhere you see it, or you carry it in your wallet. So after you've completed these steps, take the magic check with you today and put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 or more occasions during the day today, take the magic check in your hands. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you are really doing it. I'll tell you what to do. So suppose if you want to manifest 1 lakh rupees, you need to know what you want to do with 1 lakh rupees. Either you want that money to just be sitting in your wardrobe or in your bank account, or you want 50,000 to be sitting just as you like to see it, or with 51,000 rupees you want to invest somewhere, you want to buy something new, you want to travel. So you need to kind of visualize that for 2 or 3 minutes. What will you do of that money energy? Because money is means to what you want. It's not the end of, it's the exchange currency. It's the currency exchange. So that's what you're going to do. So anyway, tomorrow in the morning, what you're going to do is you, before sleeping tonight, you hold your magic rock. Maybe you can give an advance gratitude to, no, you have to actually follow the magic rock practice. Give gratitude to the best thing that happened to you today. Tomorrow in the morning, you identify again 10 grateful things that happens to you. Fill your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and tomorrow's date or today's date if you're filling it right now. Hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. Or just at the end of the day today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you see it daily, in your vision board, in your wardrobe, in your bathroom mirror, etc., etc., etc. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube in next 10 minutes, and I'm going to find out if that video that I saw of Jim Carrey with, it was either with Oprah Winfrey or it was with Ellen DeGeneres. I don't remember, but I'm going to find out that video and I'm going to put it on the link in the description of this video that I'm going to put online. Now, as far as I remember, what Jim Carrey did was that he put a date, I think a future date when he wanted the money. But according to Rhonda Byrne, what you need to do is you want to manifest and physicalize the money today. So you either put, if you're filling the check right now, you put today's date. If you're filling the check tomorrow, then you put tomorrow's date. That's what you need to do. Now see, this is, or you just go to, go to Google and just type the secret magic check and you take a printout, take as many printouts as you want and do this activity. So this is what your check is going to look like. All right. So you have to write today's date on date. That's the date thing. You write today's date. Then you write pay Umesh Mulrajani. Also, maybe write a check for me. Then you write the amount in figures. Then you write the amount in words. And that's it. Then it's signed by Universe. And then you just hold the check in your hand, visualize what you want to do with it, and imagine what you are going to do with the money that you manifest. Now, what Jim Carrey did was that he said, pay Jim Carrey for acting services rendered, and the amount that he put is the amount that he received for his movie, which is a very, very famous movie called Dumb and Dumber. So I'm going to share with you the link of that video also. But I hope you've understood what we need to do here. And it's very, very exciting. And I'm going to now make my another checks tomorrow with you all and post on the group whether I have done it or not. I'm still carrying these 3 magic checks with me. I always carry them. Uh, these are my magic checks. I'm not going to show you what I've written in that. So these are my 3 magic checks that I'm carrying. These same 3 checks are here also in my vision board. So that's it. And I hope you will. I know that all of us will manifest what we write on this check. So be it, so be it, so be it. And thank you, thank you, thank you. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakok, Sri Lord Mahaguruji, mailing all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Master Saints, Archangels, Holy Angels, and all the spiritual helpers. Thank you for your priceless blessing. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Rhonda One. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Magic, the book Magic. Thank you, The Secret. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Money Energy. Thank you for the abundance that's around me. Thank you, my amazing physical body. Thank you, my mind. Thank you, my senses. Thank you, my organs. Thank you, people who work with me, people who work for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. And I'm going to share the link of this video very, very soon. Share it with people. Please, please share it with people. And don't keep these techniques to just yourself. It's important that you share these techniques with people. And only when you do that, you will see the gratitude energy that's going to flow through you and the miracles that you will experience every day, multiple times. All right, thank you. Bye bye. I'm going to read the chat. I'm sorry, there were some questions. I think after you've received the amount that you fill in the check, you can just maybe, I guess you can tear the check away, burn it away, tear it away. It doesn't matter. It's not written in the book. I would burn it away if I have to, as just kind of giving it to the universe. And that's it. I think all the other questions are mentioned, answered. So thank you all. And I'm very, very sure the amounts that we fill in the check tomorrow or tonight, we have received them already. With the collective consciousness that you and I have and all of us have, so be it, and so it is. Good night, everyone.